Hello, I'm in the woods. I'm on a nature trail. I I thought I would do a video. It's really nice. It's a beautiful day. It's Sunday and it's in the 70s and it's very naturey. Anyway, I'll show you a little bit of the trail this way. There's the trail. And here's the other way. And anyway, yeah, it's nice. I don't know where to look. I'm not really used to this. But anyway, um, I have my phone with me and I've been taking pictures and I'm going to be putting some of those up on iNaturalist. And I think when I make a thumbnail for this, I'm going to include some of those pictures so you can see them. And anyway, it's just a gorgeous day on the nature trail. This is called Ernst Trail. And I like it here. I've walked here a lot. Jason and I have walked here. We've seen lots of things. Last year, about this time, this month, I think, I saw a really big snake. It was a gray rat snake. And I don't know. It's just nice. Just thinking about stuff. I'm just enjoying nature. There's like a nice rustle of leaves and I don't know, birds singing, chipmunks. It's super nice. Anyway, I'm trying to look into the camera. I'm holding the camera out a little bit more. There are also people walking by and bicycling by. And that's the way it is on the trail. So, it's pretty nice. I think I'm done. So you have a good day and go out and enjoy nature.